2 minus 4 bracket 2 minus 4. This minus 2 minus 4, this is going to give us negative 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4. This is going to give us negative 2. Minus 2 times minus 2, this is going to give us 4. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, we have to follow the rules. This is parenthesis. E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Don't forget, multiplication and addition have equal priority. So we are solving from left to right. So if we solve this correctly, our answer is not going to be 4. Okay? So 2 minus 4, don't forget there is an invisible multiplication here. So we have to do this parenthesis first because parentheses have higher priority than subtraction and addition. So 2 minus 4 is going to give us 2 minus 4 times minus 2. So we have to do this multiplication first. So which is this 2 minus 2 times minus 4. This is going to give us plus 8. Okay, so here is plus 8. 2 plus 8, this is going to give us 10. And this is the final answer.